I have two PhDs promoted. I am very proud of both, and both ladies got academic positions, which is exceptional today, and I'm extremely proud of this success, and I believe it's simply because both were great. So it's not true that they will never get any income, they will never get anything of professional life from their Jewish interests, but there's little hope. It's not like studying Jewish studies in the United States, and then you have Jewish communities, that you have Jewish foundations, you have a lot of Jewish life, that you can expect that your Jewish education will be an important element of this. Here it is not so. There are few Jewish institutions, very small, unable to employ you. And still some people got their employment within those. And the fact that we have such a good result is very important to me. I'm extremely happy about it. So that's our situation. That's our situation. It's not only about my PhD student, but also a lot of our graduates from our minor program that in their life they continue to be involved in Jewish studies in one way or another. For example, we have possibly the biggest number of PhD students among our graduates. We can't claim that we make them into PhD students, because after accepting the best students from humanities, it's obvious that they will come into PhD later on. But what is beautiful is that many of those people make the PhD in one or another way connected to Jewish studies. And actually they make quite a few of those. They write their PhD on Jewish topics outside of our department, in history, in book department, and in other places that are with their PhD advisors from those departments, but they keep contact, they come to my PhD seminar, and they develop their skills that they bring from here. So some of those will eventually get their positions within history, sociology, and other departments, and Jewish studies will be part of this, of their background and what they teach, what they research. So I think we are expanding this way. Is this part of the Parnose, or maybe not? Well, it's difficult to say. It's difficult to say because, as I say, we expand their way of understanding their own disciplines. But I think it's important, and I'm very happy about it. I'm very proud of these successes.